So, as you know, one of my favorite sayings is age with attitude. And that's what this video is all about. Today I have 23 fashions and accessories for you to really help you kind of age with attitude. And even if you live in a warmer climate, because a lot of these kind of relate to fall and winter, it'll be, easy for you to kind of change out a pair of tights and boots and just put on your favorite sandals. So let's start with fashions number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I call this capturing another era. So here I have a 40s style dress that has the classic vibe of that era. This is perfect for those occasions where you don't know what to wear. This dress has a peplum style to cover my tummy, and it gives me a great shape. It's available in 8 different colors for around $50. And check out these comfy naturalizer pumps for $115. And you know what? The last time I checked, both the dress and the shoes were 30% off. The gold purse with a crossbody strap is $29, and it really finishes the look. Now, the 40s were fun, but so were the 50s. And you know I love this dress for around $30. I even have it in blue. So I have to tell you, I just feel absolutely awesome in those dresses. And it really does sure beat the plain little black dress I used to always wear. Oh, and by the way, I'll have most of the fashions for you underneath the video description and also in the comments. All right, for the next outfit, I have really a trendy and put together look, and also if you're in a warmer climate, you can just kind of swap out the long sleeves for maybe short sleeves. So let's take a look at number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Vests are really trending for fall and winter, and this is a classic look with this black one for $30. It also ties at the back to fit your figure. I paired it with a V-neck top to give a chic look, and the stretchy plaid pants for $30 are super comfy to wear. I have a pair of ankle boots here for $75, but sandals or flats could also finish the outfit. And by the way, if you like videos like this that really kind of help you age with attitude, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. And by the way, I have a lot more fashions on Instagram. Just go to instagram.com/awesomeover50. All right, so the next look, it's a real head turner. And I think it's number 9, 10, 11, and 12. When I wear this outfit, I certainly feel like I'm aging with attitude. This faux leather skirt is just $55, and I love the wraparound look. The pink color is trending now, and this satiny top makes me feel pretty in pink. The black tights and those suede ankle boots, along with my cool Ray-Ban fold-up Wayfarers, certainly give me a confident attitude. And you know what? Aging with attitude, it's not just a saying, it's a way of living your life and embracing these chapters of our years. And I think it's just so important. And don't forget to stay till the end of this video, where I'm going to have a little inspirational message and expand upon this. All right, so the next fashion look it's just so much fun, and it shows fashions number 13, 14, 15, and 16. So you know I love these lacy skirts so much that I have 3 of them, and for around $40 each, I can afford to get different colors. I love the leather and lace vibe. And check out the t-shirt. I designed it just for you, the awesome ones, for $19.99, and I really hope you feel amazing wearing it. Now, on to the faux leather jacket that makes me feel like I have a youthful vibe. And at $60, it's a great addition to this and many other outfit combinations. And don't forget to check your actual measurements against the size charts, which are usually for every single item. It's really important. All right, so let's mix up the materials a little bit again. And these fashions are number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Here I have a great look with this faux suede jacket that's actually stretchy for about $53, and I also have it in navy. I decided to put a satiny camisole underneath for $17 to give me an awesome vibe. And you know, these are my favorite NYDJ jeans, and I added a stretchy belt that comes in a pack of 2 for about $14. And of course my new ankle boots and this real leather handbag. It's my go-to for fall and winter when I need to carry maybe a few extras such as a fold-up umbrella and maybe gloves. And the best part, I can even add my Michael Kors bag inside for an easy, quick change. And don't forget a great trench coat. This one is by Calvin Klein, and it's usually $200. Last time I checked, it was 40% off, so I think that worked out to about $120. It has a hood. It also has a belt. It's so sleek looking, and of course pockets. And I just also want to take a second here to talk about that Michael Kors purse, because it's a real go-to for me in the fall, and it has a zipper, and it's available for around $71. Now, as I mentioned to you, aging with attitude, it's not just a saying, it's a way of being. And you know what? I can't really help that I have wrinkles. I gotta wear those, but I do have a choice on what I wear as clothing when I leave the house. Wearing dark, oversized clothing, it just makes you feel really dowdy and uninspired and even invisible. You know, the daughters of this world, they're watching us, so let's just be the awesome ones that show everybody that our birth certificates do not measure our worth. Let's live a life where we really show the essence, the beautiful souls, and the wise women that we actually are. And for me, that's just one more way to keep it awesome.